Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be driving you around YouTube, and I'll be teaching you how to upload your edited YouTube thumbnail. The thumbnail we made last time in the last video, I'll be showing you how to upload it on your video so that it will make your video create more awareness and get more clicks and impression, engagement, and lots more. So right now we'll be using this to upload it. We'll be using the YouTube Studio app to upload it. So let's click on it. You can do that on your desktop, understand, in the desktop site. So you can do that there, you can do it here. I'll be doing it vast way. I'll do it here and I'll go and do it in the other side. So right now let's click on this. So I asked you to download it, so make sure you download it and use it. So right now this is our YouTube channel right now. So let's go straight and do the uploading. So let's click on the video we want to upload on. Despite the fact this is how to do video editing like a pro, but let us use this video to show how to upload the thumbnail. So right now when you click on the video, you just come up here, click on this pencil icon up here. So click on the pencil icon. So once it opens up, you see another pencil icon up here again. Look at that pencil icon up here. So go up and click on that pencil icon. So right now here you are. You can now upload. They say customize thumbnail. So click on customize thumbnail. That is the one you have done for yourself. So now look at the thumbnail here we just did last. You click on it. So click on this thumbnail and you see it have appeared here. So now if you click on this save button up here, it will just save. So let's just click on it. So right now you see it have saved it. So right now clicking on save up here now saves it finally. So let's click on it and see how it works. Okay, you see it right now, it have saved. Understand, it have saved finally. You see, let's refresh. You see it have saved finally. Now let's go to the main YouTube app to know if this thing have saved really. So this is the main YouTube app here. So let's go into it and know it if it has saved. So let's click on our channel up here. Click to your channel. Okay, click on videos and refresh this. Okay, we're having issues with that. It have not saved. It have not reflected here yet. It will soon reflect. Just save it there. Follow that process and save it. It will reflect. Understand? It will reflect. Just follow the process. Once I've saved here, it's saved already. So we just having issues. So just do it and go back and reflect it to show. So let me show you how to do it on the desktop. So let's go and do it on the desktop. So right now let's go to the desktop and let me show you how to still do it on the desktop. So go click on studio and make sure your studio is in desktop site. So click on it and put it in the desktop site so that it can be accessible like a laptop. Put it in the desktop site. So right now once it opens up, you just go straight and brand it. So let's wait for it to open up. Once it opens up, we are going straight there to do it. Okay, so right now we are in the YouTube desktop site. So right now you see that this thing have saved. I told you that it have saved. Look at it here. You see it have saved. So it's just like it was just not reflecting. Like why it is not reflecting is because I did not refresh it very well. So it have saved already. It have saved. So that is it. It have saved already. So it's gonna reflect. It's just having time. So right here, look at it here. So right now we'll go to videos. Let's click on our videos. So click on it. So once it opens up, you just contents. Click on content and go to your video. You see that video I uploaded. You see it here. You see it here. You see. So it have saved. So let me just show you an example here. So click on this video and click on the pencil icon. Click on the video you want to add a thumbnail to. Then you click on the pencil icon. So right now when you click on the pencil icon, excuse me, you click on the pencil icon up here. Then if it opens up, you see this place they say here, it says upload thumbnail. So click on it, then go to your file, choose the thumbnail you want to do, click on done, and you see it appears here. You see it have appeared already. So right now when you click on this save button up here, when you click on this save button up here, it uploads it, and that is how to do it on the site. So but for me, I'll tell you, whenever I want to do it, just use this app here. It's easy here. Just use the app here and do it, and that is it. So right now, look at it here. See it, look at it here. So that is how to upload your YouTube thumbnail. Thank you. Please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, and comment down below. Thank you, and see you next time with another video. Bless you.